Hi, everybody. Just wanted to remind you that attendance is taken every day, Monday through Thursday, by 3:30. So it is very important that you check in on Canvas. Even if you've done all your assignments for the week, you still need to check in daily by 3:30. And to complete that, you're going to go to Modules from the homepage here. Go to Modules. And then I'm going to put it in Student View. So you'll see attendance here, and you'll see all the days for this week for mandatory attendance. And you'll see the little minus sign, which means they're already closed. But for example, for today's attendance, you're going to click on Thursday, June 17th. Here are your instructions. The summer attendance will be taken in discussion board. Log in daily on Canvas before 3:30 and check in. I will normally do attendance, put attendance into PowerSchool by 3:40. So to complete this assignment, all you do is click this reply button, and then you're just going to click here and then hit submit, post reply, and you're there. Okay, that's all you need to do in order to complete the assignment. So make sure you are doing that by 3:30. Some of you guys have already checked in already. That's great. Do not put it in the chat. Put it in discussion. Okay. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Thank you.